Welcome to Work From Home Opportunities for You. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you. And welcome to another work from home opportunity just for you. Today we're going to be talking about remote compliance specialist for the National Benefit Services. So this is a full-time remote position that pays between $16 an hour to up to $19 per hour. So there is a full remote position in retirement benefits administration. You are expected to work between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Monday through Friday with a 40-plus hour work week. Wonderful working environment and opportunity for growth. This position is full-time, hourly, and non-exempt. So your duties will be, all duties are identified for a compliance support position. So support implementation team in a new retirement plan to set up and take over existing data, complete reconciliation of plan assets and prepare statements for clients with one investment provider and no outside plan assets. You complete basic required testing for retirement plans, support relationship manager in preparing and calculating and presenting employee contributions. You monitor plans, operations for adherence for the terms of the plan document and applicable rules and regulations. You must gain extensive knowledge of retirement plans through successfully completed DC-1 exam within 1 year of accepting this position. So while you accept this position, you do have to complete that within a year. Must meet or exceed required level of key performance indicators, KPIs, in all measure areas. Perform other duties as assigned by supervisor or vice president. So your qualifications will be you are professional and articulate in both verbal and written communication. So you must be proficient in that English language. You got to be well organized and self-motivated with the ability to prioritize tasks and meet deadlines. You have excellent customer relation skills, including the ability to develop and maintain effective relationships. You'll be able to learn quickly and have the ability to research complex problems independently. You're personable, highly motivated, hardworking, and positive attitude. So definitely highlight those if you're applying on your cover letter. You have ability to resolve conflict, be highly attentive to detail and accuracy of work, and maintaining an organized approach to duties and responsibilities. You must have strong computer skills, including typing, a 10 key, and proficiency in Microsoft Word, Outlook, and Excel. And you must be a person that works well within a team, so a team player. If you have a bachelor's degree or work equivalent, it is required. Retirement plan administration experience is preferred. It's not required, but it is preferred if you already have that. This position requires the employee to be sitting the majority of the work time, unless you have a stand-up desk. I believe that will be all right as well. So if this sounds like the job for you, it works remotely, it is full-time, and it pays from $16 to $19 per hour. Definitely apply. I'll have the links right below there for you to apply directly. And if not, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have the best remote work from home jobs right for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.